Hey coaches, Thomas here from MyCoach AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can build your own libraries inside of MyCoach AI. And I mean something very specific by that. It's a really cool built-in feature that is going to be extremely useful, especially if you do this a little bit more in the beginning of your journey with us. And it's just going to make your life a lot easier and more efficient when you then go to utilize your libraries, especially on things like workout building. So I'll give a little bit more context on what exactly that means and why we recommend it. But first things first, you're going to notice something when you browse through your library, something that's consistent pretty much across all of these different libraries. If I go to my workouts here, I find on the workouts library page two sections: AI workouts and my workouts. And I will find the same when I go to meal plans, my meal plans, AI meal plans, videos, my videos, AI videos. And you'll find this on all of these pages. And what that simply means, going back to the workouts to give an example, is the AI workout section is the libraries that we already provide to you guys as soon as you come into the system. We often have templates available or a bunch of default content available that you guys can use, such as hundreds of expert videos, 22,000 plus exercises that you can use. And that is what the AI workouts, AI videos, etc. means. It's everything that we already have given you guys as soon as you enter the system. The other part, called my workouts or my meal plans, my videos, etc., is the library of anything that you have uploaded to the system yourself, so your own proprietary content, as well as anything that you may have saved over from the AI sections to your own. That is the two ways in which you build the my workouts, my meal plans, my videos sections. It's uploading something yourself, right? So if I go to my, let's say, exercises here, I can go to create a new exercise, upload it through a YouTube video link or just the actual video file. And then once uploaded, it's going to appear under my exercises. And the second method that I have is if I go into the AI exercises section and choose any exercise, I scroll down and I find a button that says save as new. And when I press that, it's going to save a copy of it and add it to my exercises library as well. So that's how you build these. It's your own uploaded content, anything you have saved from ours to yours. Now, why do this? There is a lot of useful applications for when you're using all of your libraries to having the My section. And that's because, partially, that we provide a lot of content right off the bat for you guys. So we're now in the exercises section. Once again, we already have a library of 22,000 exercises right in here that you can deploy, which is really useful. But also, let's be realistic, we probably don't use 22,000 exercises in our workout programming. Right? Maybe it's a selection of 30, 40, 50 exercises that account for most of our programming in general. And that's where that My section comes in so handy. Because what you can do in the very beginning is when you go into the AI exercises section, just think of 20 or 30 exercises that you use a lot in your programming. Go look for those exercises and go save them as new to the My section. And then on top of that, if there's anything you can't find in our database, you can then upload that yourself that you use in your programming. And now you've crafted a selection of 30, 40, 50, whatever it may be, exercises that you actually use in your programming. And we can see where that becomes useful. For example, if we go to our workout section and go to build a workout, because guess what we'll find here in the exercise search selection, you can browse between my or AI libraries. You can select which one you're looking at, right? And if I'm here on the AI library section and it searches within 22,000 and I start looking for a certain pressing motion, there is still a lot of exercises that are according to my search term. So I'm gonna have to scroll for a while or be more specific here. But what's a lot quicker is if I just have the My exercises section and I just have the bench press that I use all the time, as soon as I start typing, just the first letters of bench press, immediately that will come up. What will come up, because it is, of course, within the smaller selection that we have built. And this is going to make you a lot quicker when building your workouts. You can simply go through all of these, typing 1 or 2 letters for the exercise, and then directly have it populate. A lot quicker than scrolling endlessly or narrowing down in this bigger database. And that's just an example. This is true across the board. When you go to build your programs, right? And you go to add a certain workout to the program, once again, you can search between my or AI workouts, right? Same with your videos here. You go to add certain content. Cool. Do you want to look within the my section of your videos and everything you saved, or the AI videos section? That's up to you, and it's going to make it a lot quicker if you have those selections set up for yourself so you can then easily deploy them throughout the system. And that is what those my and AI sections mean. And now you know when you're navigating the content libraries what those mean, and once again how you can build your own by uploading yourself and saving from our database. And if you do that, especially in the beginning, it's going to make you a lot more efficient as you start to build your programs, your contents, everything like that, and of course build really cool experiences very, very quickly. And that's why this is super useful. So go try that out. If you're not a part yet of MyCoach Ai and you want to learn more about things like this or how these libraries are even deployed in the first place, go check out the link in our description. We tell you a lot more there. And for now, go and try this out, and I'll see you in the next video.